So many of you guys, especially after my 100,000 kilometer update video, have asked me how much the maintenance has actually cost on my 718 Cayman S, and today we're going to deep dive into it. And before we get started, this is clearly not my car. I am in a loaner Macon because Saltie is currently at Porsche getting worked on. So we'll talk about that in a bit, but we're doing this from Macon today, which just seems appropriate. Okay, so for a little bit of context, I bought my Cayman almost 3 years ago. It had 54,000 kilometers on it at the time, and as of today, or at least when I dropped her off at the shop, we are sitting at 114,000 kilometers, which is about 71,000 miles. So it's definitely not a small amount of mileage we put on the car. When I bought my car, I did purchase her with CPO, which has been a godsend, and we'll get into those numbers shortly as well, but I did pay probably about another $7,000 to $10,000 more on the purchase price just because of that, and then I paid another $2,500 last July to renew the CPO for another year. So starting with the basics, oil changes, regular service. I brought my car to Porsche one time and an oil change cost me 635 Canadian dollars, to which I said I can absolutely do that cheaper. So now I order the little oil change kit. I order my oil, my gasket, oil filter, etc. And then I just do it at home, which is saving me a shit ton of money, especially with how much I drive this car. It's probably about $100 to $150 every time I do an oil change now. Tires have been another very, very large expense. I've gone through, I think, 4 sets of tires now. The P0s that originally came on the car, which, first of all, not a huge fan of. I then went through a set of Continental winter tires. I'll put the exact ones down here. My Contis were great, absolutely love them. I actually still have them in the garage. I just don't know when I'm gonna put them on the car next, but my winter tires were about $1,500, and that's only because I got a discount through Continental Canada. Another summer tire, they lasted, I think, 3.5 months. Shredded, tore through those real quick. And now we are on the Vredestein tires, which have been great so far. I've had them for almost a year on the car. Those were also sent to me for a brand deal that I did with them. So thank you, Vredestein. Okay, one of the biggest upfront costs was doing the PPF on my car. And honestly, I regret not doing the whole car. I did the entire front end because I was driving it from Toronto all the way to Vancouver, which is like a 50-hour drive, something silly. So I only did the front end because I was in a time crunch, and I genuinely wish that I did the entire car. And I think in the next few months, I might take off the entire front end, do like a full paint correction, and then re-PPF the whole car, do ceramic coating, all of that good stuff. We did the entire front end, the mirror caps, and the rear impact zones right behind the wheels, and I think I spent $2,000 on that, Canadian dollars, so whatever that is in USD, I have no idea, I'm sorry guys. My lovely friends at Pure Auto in Vancouver and in Toronto hooked me up with my tint. My favorite. They are incredible. If you need any work done in your car in either city, they are so wonderful to deal with. Now for unexpected costs. This one has been really fun, and I'm not gonna lie, it's been ongoing, especially the past few months. So starting with some of the basics, I would show you, but my car's not here, so just pretend with me. The little seat clips that are on all the 911s and 718s here, they're like the little metal pieces. I'll put a photo in here. I keep breaking them. I don't know what it is. I literally never use them, but anytime I do, the once a year I use them, they keep snapping off. And at $65 a pop, this is outrageous. So I've left 2 of them broken for the past like 5 months, and it's killing me. So we're gonna get those fixed soon. I have the parts sitting in my car since I was just at Porsche. We're gonna have to do a full video on fixing my car coming soon. It's not that bad, guys. It's just like seat clips, a few other things. Aside from that, my one wheel that needs to be refinished, I think that's gonna be about $350. I'm still working on the headlight issue. My headlights look like they're cracked, but for some reason, this is just a common problem. Porsche will not cover it under warranty. So I think we're gonna take the headlights out, take the lenses out, get new lenses, and put those in. I have no idea how much it's gonna cost. Probably $80 to $100 per headlight, so $200, maybe labor if I need help with this, but fingers crossed, I can do it myself. CPO problems. I honestly am so thankful that I ended up purchasing CPO because it has definitely paid for itself. 2 years ago, I had a thermostat issue, which I think I talked about in my 100,000 kilometer update video, but basically my thermostat broke, car had to be towed to Porsche. They were so wonderful about it, but they replaced everything, didn't cost me a dime. And then the current problem as to why we are in this Macan right now, which is my water pump failing. So again, this would have probably been like a $7,000 job between that and my axles leaking, which is also covered under CPO. But this has been a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful thing to have. Unlimited mileage, I can drive the car as much as I want, and there's so many things I don't have to stress about just because I know Porsche has me covered. I do have to renew my CPO coming up, I think in June or July. So I'm gonna get updated pricing for you guys. Last year I spent $2,500 on it, which obviously has paid for itself since. But when I do renew it, I will get new pricing and let y'all know, because I know pricing just really depends on what dealership you're talking to. So I'll be interested to see if the pricing has changed at all. So overall, the car has roughly cost me, I actually don't know what this number is because I can't do math on the top of my head and I didn't write it down, but I'm gonna put it on screen here. I will say, definitely not as bad as you would think. I've been very creative with, the partnerships I do, offering content in exchange for tint, for wraps, for anything that I do need, for tires, etc. And I've been able to work with some incredible companies that help keep Saltie on the road. And while we're on the subject of cost, I just want to say, not all of this is going to be the same for everyone. You're going to go through tires at a different rate. You're going to go through oil changes at a different rate. Different parts of your vehicle might break. None of your car might break. It really, really just depends on the person. So this is just my experience so far, and I will keep you guys updated as these costs accumulate because why not? We definitely have some upcoming costs soon that I haven't yet thought of, but I need to do my brake fluid, I need to do brake pads, and spark plugs. So, don't know how much those are, but I'm sure we'll find out soon, and I'll probably do a video of me doing these things because I think it'll be really funny as I try to figure it out. So that's kind of the breakdown of what it actually costs to own a 2017 718 Cayman S. If you guys have any other questions, please leave them in the comments below. I'd be more than happy to answer them.